Welcome. Today we are going to be changing the mechanism in a Billetspin sole. Let's open up the new mechanism. They've moved to a Gen 2. I ordered just the mechanism to upgrade my Gen 1, but a little bit of swag. Thank you, Rich. Rich is a great guy, and he is easily contactable on social media too. Instagram, Facebook, Discord. There it is. That's what all the fuss is about. Second generation mechanism. That is so cool that he offers this separate, so I can upgrade my old one too. Alright, so here's the plunger. You see what happens when you push the plunger down. Very cool. Can't wait to install that. Here is our pen it's going to be going in. This is a Damasteel sole, and Damasteel is a particular type of Damascus. It's a brand name. It's like the Kleenex tissue paper type thing, you know what I mean? So Damasteel is the best Damascus steel you can get. And my grails, if I can help it, are in Damasteel. So Damasteel is a beautiful thing. It's an out of this world thing that Rich went ahead and got some Damasteel for some of his sole pens. I actually had a zirconium sole before this, and once I got a hold of this, I actually liked the weight of this one better, so it's heavier. And I love Damasteel. Like I said, I've got those knives. My wedding ring is Damascus and meteorite. So I love Damascus, and Damasteel is the best Damascus you can get. So on a sole, on a pen, that's awesome. Okay, I'm going to clear some of these things out so our focus can focus. All right, now one tip I can offer if you are disassembling any pen of a valuable precious metal like this, and you don't want to scratch it up when you're starting to loosen these threads here, go ahead and get some Scotch tape and just put that all the way around there. If you can, try and get it underneath even, but this will prevent this from scraping or scratching up your body, which is integral, right? There we go. Okay, now, if you didn't do that mod and you started spinning this and you weren't paying attention to your alignment, you could easily scrape up your titanium, zirconium, Damasteel, whatever it might be. So that's a nice little handy tip. We're almost there. I can feel it. I should have gone higher with the tape, but that's okay. All right, we're out. Boom. Here we go. There's our old mech. Now we're going to go ahead and put in our new mech. All right, go new mech. Here we go. Right back in. It is smoother. I will say that. And it's supposed to eliminate half clicks so you can click it faster. It feels more refined. It definitely does. It's a smoother click and a more subtle deployment at the same time. It's nice. Rich, you did a good job. Now that I've upgraded this to the Gen 2, I can actually go ahead and review the sole pen for you guys soon. All right, thank you for watching. Can't wait to use this more. Awesome. Thank you for watching. We will see you soon with more tips and tricks.